Hi everyone, welcome back to Casey Life Adventures. Welcome back to a new video. This video is a collection of clips from day-to-day activities that we did together or with family. Adventure isn't all about making trips and traveling. Every day can be an adventure if you want it to be. If you're able to enjoy the little things, you are a blessed human being. Enjoy watching!
Just the other day it was raining every other day. Nothing was dusty. Now everything seems to be dusty. Fast world weather. The other day there were no flowers. Now there's flowers everywhere. The birds chirping everywhere. Excited?
Yeah.
Funny? Excited fun? Into my thoughts. Recyclable stuff.
Oh, it's a battery.
Battery. Berry. Is berry. Is berry. Is berry. Berry battery. Alright, next. Time to wipe the chair. Oops. Have we gotten to 30 degrees? Yes.
Not sure. Maybe during the day?
No, it's not. This is like 24, 25. Yeah. So good. Finally, those are the fruits of the labor. House is clean, and that is an insect house, and that's firewood when it gets cold during winter.
Yeah.
Apparently, and you can see it is clean. This was the broom that I was using. Bro, I was intense. The heat is I think it's around 22 degrees. So we're done cleaning, and right now we're heading to ice cream, baby, ice cream. That was fun. On to the next one. So yeah. Oof, this is a nice estate. Someone has a camper. It's not a camper right next to the parking lot. All right. Check this out. Someone has a camper right next to his parking lot. Nice. This is a very nice estate. All right, KC Life Adventures. Subscribe to our channel, and hopefully we'll see you guys for ice cream. Peace. All right, thank you very much.
Thank you, Mel.
Not used to this. Yeah, coming to eat ice cream at 9 o'clock. Right now, people are thinking of sleeping.
Which people? The people who live in countries where it's dark.
Back at home, she said it was what?
Raspberry, framboos. And then the other one, blonde. I don't know what that means, what flavor that is.
Do means by.
Yeah. So which is better, the white one or the red one?
The red one. The red one is more some stuff in it.
Some stuff.
Yeah, some, I don't know if it's nuts or some.
You want to taste? That one is melon.
Yeah, this tastes like melon.
And that white one is lemon.
Close. Exactly 9.
Mm-hmm.
And they have closed. Damn. They're tired of customers or they just want to go home?
Both.
They're not tired of customers, they just want to go home.
Yeah, okay. That's perfect.
Oh, really good. Very yummy.
You want to take the lift? Why?
What do you mean I want to take the lift? I'm taking the lift because I'm in a first world.
So basically, just because you can.
Damn, this place stinks.
You want to go
Yeah.
out?
No, I'm taking the lift because I'm in the first world and bro, this thing is dirty, but it feels good. I mean, going with a lift in an open space and it opens from behind. Yeah.
So is this the first time that you watched the whole movie in the theater?
Yeah, that was nice. That was healthy. I enjoyed it.
If it was nice like that, why did you leave all the other times? Or is this so long ago you don't even remember?
Priorities, man. When growing up, I'm into so many things, man. Biking and everything. That was nice. Forget about the past, man. That was nice. That was
Okay,
cool.
I'm happy you had fun. Today we're having a picnic outside. The weather's really great. The heat is not that much anymore in the evening and it gets dark early, but it's beautiful to have dinner outside now. And I really felt like having a relaxed evening and doing something special. And we were going to have dinner in the restaurant, but then while we were walking there, I said, the weather is beautiful, isn't it? It is even really good weather to sit outside. And then Chops was like, then why don't we get takeout and then eat outside? So that's what we are going to do. Chops is already at the picnic table, and I got some plates and utensils and drinks from the house, and we're going to have a lovely dinner together with the sun and the water. I'm really looking forward to it. Look at that. I don't know if it's possible to have a better view. There's Chops at a picnic table. Really awesome. It really is a great day. There we are, enjoying the sun already. I brought Coke for you. Did you start without me? Or you did not? Seems like you did not. This is our food. Do you think we'll be able to finish? I don't think so.
Nah, I don't think we did. That's a lot of food. It's a lot. Hey, you came with everything. What's up?
I'm a woman. I'm supposed to come with everything.
Chinese.
Yeah, Chinese food. Let's see what's in there.